No, sir. It's my first
With
interview.
me?
First interview, sir.
Okay. Please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Vivek Kumar, and I am from village in Hardoi district from Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed my basic education from there in a government school, and I have completed my graduation in 2016, and I also have appeared for NDA and CDS exams.
Which exam?
NDA and CDS exams.
Okay.
Sir, since we are at safer distance, can I remove my mask? Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Tell me about your hobbies.
Sir, as it is, I have no hobby, but whenever I get free time, I do different things according to the time I get. Like whenever I have much more time, I prefer to watch movies. But when I have less time, I listen songs. And one thing I like the most is talking to kids, playing with them, and teaching them.
What is the difference between hobbies and interests?
Sir, hobby is something that you do occasionally in 2 to 3 days once or in weekly, but interest is something that you do daily basis, on daily basis, and you enjoy both in doing that. Yes, sir. Somewhat I am nervous.
You belong to UP and your pin code is?
241402.
What is pin code? How it is distributed in the country? Explain the organization.
Sir, I don't know how it is distributed, but PIN code is the postal address allotted to a particular area, so that the postal and communication can be easy.
Tell me origin of CISF and the Charter of Duties.
Sir, CISF was created in 1967, I think, and it is to.
It's your first choice?
What, sir?
It's your first choice?
Yes, sir.
So you are thinking about CISF?
No, sir.
You are saying, I think it is in 1967.
Yes,
Okay,
it is created in 1967, and the duty of this force is to provide security to critical infrastructure and critical installations, public sector undertakings of the government.
Tell me 5 VAs and VPs that is covered by CISF, vital installations and vital points.
Sir, CISF.
We are giving the coverage to the 5 points of the country, 5 departments.
Sir, airports, metro, and nuclear installations, important public sector undertakings, and power stations.
Is there any role for CISF in the private sector?
Yes, sir. In recent times, CISF is also providing security to the private undertakings, private companies, which are critical for the economy. Example, sir, Infosys in Bengaluru, I think it is being provided security by CISF.
Any sports hobbies you have or any interest?
Sir, I played sports till my class 10th. After that, in class 11th, I went to Lucknow, and there in my school there was no playground, so I have to left it.
You need a ground to play always, or you can play otherwise?
I can play otherwise, but when I change my city, I take time to make friends.
What do you do for physical fitness then?
Sir, physical fitness, I go occasionally for running and do
So
something.
running is not a sport, you mean to say?
Yes,
I
sir.
asked you what is your sport, but you said nothing, you smile and you say after 10th I stop, and you need a ground for it. Are you clear about what you are saying about this sport? What is the sport you understand?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir,
You
but
are saying that you are running and you are saying you have no sport. What kind of answer is that?
sorry, sir, but
Okay. Tell me, reason for your degradation of marks in graduation, 52.27%.
yes, sir. Actually, after completing my plus 2, I devoted much of my time to join the NDA to fulfill my childhood dream of joining armed forces. So in that course of time, I focused, I give less attention on the graduation. That is why decline in marks.
NDA is done at age of 19 and half. Graduation will be at what, 20 half. You must have finished NDA all age by second year.
Yes, sir. After
So
that,
third year, why you performed at 52%?
actually, after that, I started giving CDS and focusing on other competitive exams. And since I didn't focus much more on first year and second year, that is why I also started facing.
NDA is general knowledge and general awareness.
Yes, sir.
So it doesn't, the people who are appearing for NDA, they are good in academics. They are continuously working. Did you do any coaching or training for SSB?
No, I didn't take coaching far, but I think much more things are different in NDA and VSC because we focus more on theoretical perspective, and here
Physics, chemistry, you got same subjects.
subjects are same, but the kind of questions and the kind of syllabus is different, sir.
Okay. Tell me, how many commands are there in army? You know, what they appeared for NDA and such.
Yes, sir. There are 6 commands, including training command in Simla, Eastern,
What
South.
is Chief of Defence Staff?
Sir, Chief of Defence Staff is a 4-star officer from any force, and which is appointed to bring a oneness and integratedness in the defence force.
Chief of Defence Staff.
Sir, General Bipin Rawat.
What is group obstacle race in SSB?
Sir, group obstacle race in SSB is a race in which there are many obstacles you have crossed with group.
And what is to be carried with you?
Yes, sir, there is a load, there are things like rope and things which you have
Have you
to.
appeared for SSB interview?
Yes, sir, I have appeared as far as it's been true.
So, group obstacle race has got bullies and planks and ropes. Group obstacle race, you have to cross obstruction with bullies and race.
No, sir, group obstacle race, sorry, sir, didn't have anything to carry.
So
That was different task. That was group task.
You appeared till conference out
Yes, sir.
or screen out.
One time I was conference out, and the other times I was screen out.
So be confident in your SSB procedures, exercises, you have gone through it, it's your familiarity with the subject. Given a chance, where would you like to be appointed first time?
Sir, in the CAPF,
CSF appointment, which place would you like to be posted first time?
first time, sir, I would prefer to go in combat role, something in Naxal areas or anything.
Naxal area.
Yes, sir.
What kind of Naxalism what is the theme or the spirit behind this Naxalism problems in India?
Sir, the spirit behind Naxalism problem, actually Naxalism started with the opposition of Jamindars by the peasants. But the ideology behind it was Maoism. That was Chinese ideology of communism, Maoism, and that is the spirit. I think with the time it is more of vested interest, not more ideology. Vested interest of various stakeholders and other non-external actors also.
Okay, Vivek,
Yes, sir.
belong to Hardoi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about Hardoi.
Sir, Hardoi is a district in Uttar Pradesh, 110 km from its capital city Lucknow, and its name Hardoi is distorted form of Haridrohi, which was the Hiranyakashyap, related to Hiranyakashyap, and it has 5 subdivisions and 19 blocks, and population of Hardoi is around 40 lakhs, Hardoi district.
What are the main social problems of the UP?
Sir, main social problems of UP is the biggest, I think, is caste conflicts. Caste conflict and use of caste by politicians for political purpose. That is the biggest social problem, I think so.
Or criminal?
There are many other problems like women's violence on women's and crimes against them, caste conflict, women's, and
Any case of caste conflict in UP?
sir, there are on daily basis conflict cases in UP. Recently, even Hathras rape case is also associated with.
Rape case or conflict of caste?
Actually, sir, there is no final report. There is nothing like final report, but something it is also associated with caste, with media reports, according to media reports.
Okay. Can you explain Article 21?
Sir, Article 21 in the Constitution is a fundamental right, which is generally a right to life. But with the passage of time, Supreme Court inferred it in many ways and included many rights. Recently, in Puttaswamy case, the right to privacy is also included in the Article 21.
And right to use internet.
Yes, sir.
Which kind of right is this?
Recently, Supreme Court denied it as a fundamental right in Jammu and Kashmir case when it is internet is not a fundamental right, so it is a legal right.
विवेक, अभी आपने बोला कि आपको पहली पोस्टिंग मिलेगी तो आप कॉम्बैट रोल के लिए
Yes,
जाना
sir.
चाहोगे।
I would like to go.
Then why you are going to join CISF? Why not Cobra?
Yes, sir. My second preference is already CRPF. CISF, I choose first preference. Actually, when I research about these forces, I like CISF as first preference because of many reasons. Because of its diversity. Diversity is also in CRPF. That is my second preference. But CISF is more about my BSc. Also, technology is more.
Which type of diversity in CISF?
Diversity is like Pan India force appointed everywhere from fire wing, water wing, and all this type of.
All the qualities CRPF also have.
Yes, sir. Actually, all the forces are good, and I would be proud of joining any force. But if I have to choose, that is CISF because it also actually I have seen CISF in Delhi Metro and all other things. So the soft skills.
You belong from UP, and you have seen CISF in Delhi.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was in Delhi for last 2 years, so I think saw them work.
फिर भी आपने अभी तक ये जस्टिफाई नहीं किया कि आपको कॉम्बैट रोल चाहिए लेकिन आपको CISF का ऑप्ट किया है।
Yes, sir. CISF also provides me opportunity to be in combat role and other roles. I think I have answered. I want combat role as my first posting, and after that I would like to go in other roles also. The diversity of working and action is the main reason for going in the forces.
UP government has a policy of encounters
Yes, sir.
of the goons,
Yes, sir.
and our constitution have provided us Article 21 right to life.
Yes, sir.
So how can UP government violate constitution?
Actually, sir, I think there is no policy of encounters as I am thinking, because Constitution also provides everyone the right to self-defense, and whatever counter happens, I think they are in self-defense because more police personnel also lost their lives. Recently, 8 lives were lost by police personnel in Kanpur, and more than criminals, there are police personnel injured. So I think in the right to self-defense, when you capture some goons, there are chances of firing. In retaliatory, police also fires, and after even encounter, police files FIR. There are process. There are institutions like NHRC and judiciary, and there is a very well laid process. And if there is fake encounter in maybe 1 or 2 cases, they are responsible for that. So I do not think there is any policy of encounters that you have to do encounter if someone is surrendering.
You belong from Hardoi.
Yes, sir.
Part of Awadh.
Yes, sir. Awadh.
Awadh.
Yes.
Can you tell me the major characteristics of the Awadh region in cultural aspect?
Yes, sir. The Awadh region actually cultural aspect living, food, and all these things. Mainly, Awadh region is famous for Nawabs, Nawabs of Awadh. They were mostly belonging to Shia Muslim, but the culture of courtly manners, the fine cuisine, food, best food, I think, and dialect of the dialect, which is very soft and
Can you tell me any famous poet of Avdi?
famous poet of Abdi. Sir, at present, I am not
Any
recalling.
singer?
What, sir? Sorry, sir?
Singer?
No, sir.
मालिनी अवस्थी को जानते हो?
Whom, sir?
मालिनी अवस्थी.
No, I have not heard about him.
मालिनी अवस्थी को नहीं जानते?
Malini Avasthi? No, sir.
Okay.
Tell me any classical form of dance which is not very famous in UP,
Sir, Kathak.
and which are the gharanas in UP?
Sir, Gharana, Awadh Gharana, and I am not recalling much.
I thought it is Lucknow gharana, Banaras gharana,
Yes, sir, Lucknow Gharana, Banaras Gharana.
maybe Jaipur. Kanpur.
But sir, you asked in UP.
Yeah, but at least in UP you should have said these two. If you go out of UP close by, then
Then Indore Gharana, and there are
yes. So, and second thing is, who is the famous Kathak dancer of UP?
sir, famous Kathak dance. I am not recalling.
Okay, must have heard of Pandit Biju Maharaj.
Yes, sir, I have heard about him.
Okay.
Pandit Biju Maharaj.
Right.
Okay, Vivek, what is Kathak?
Kathak is
Main theme of it. I am not asking about the dance. Why Kathak is performed? And
Sir,
what
main
is
theme
the
of Kathak-
main reason behind the performing Kathak?
I actually do not know the main reason, but Kathak is the storytelling through dance, something like.
Kathak, कहना ही is the Kathak.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your interview is over. I will call you later. Right now you can leave.
Thank you, sir.